my waypoint is coming up in about 3 kilometers for refueling, but because I've refueled and I've only used 1.7 liters of that from full tank, I don't think I'm going to stop here. I'm going to continue to the waterfall and maybe spend a little bit more time there. One thing about riding at this sort of slow speed is that you do tend to take in every single sort of surrounding aspects, which is really nice. Bit of a bonus, I think. Entering a further mountain range here. We'll just stopped at the lights, and there's some very slow traffic coming from the other side, so we just gotta wait for them. That's alright. We have a pretty good sight here, so I don't mind. Especially that waterway over there. Something about the water that makes you calm, isn't it? Oh, bit of a dust coming through. Okay, we are coming up to that waterfall I was talking about. Hopefully the route will go according to the plan and there would be a waterfall. That'll be the test. That's the one. I've got to be able to park my bike somewhere where I can move away safely. This will be it, I guess. Okay. Wow, what a view. What a view. What is going on here? Oh look, troll. Well, it can hear this. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Brilliant. Love it. I could stay here all day now. Keep looking at that water. Well, that stop was absolutely 100% worth taking. Thank you to people who have posted a nice route on the My Route app. That's how I found that one. I'm not quite sure if I didn't look at that, I would be discovering that point. I'll tell you what, I'm absolutely cooking in my kit right now. It's 18.5 degrees C now, and yeah, I've got a lot of things on, and it's very sweaty, but it is not 42 degrees type of sweat, you know what I mean? It is just, you know, the cool breeze as it goes through. I don't know how it goes through, but it goes through. It's making me feeling very confident as that breeze goes through, you know what I mean? I don't think I am brave enough to take the waterproofs off because well, it just, that look gives me chills, you know. Oh wow, look at that. That's the reason I came here, okay? Look at this, it's fantastic. Well, I should say that's one of the reasons I came. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Oh, wow. That is one steep climb if you are climbing this mountain. Can you see that little waterfall there? Wow. I wonder what's around the corner. Just trying to take it all in. And here is another view around the corner. Oh, there's a waterfall right in front, middle of the road, up the top. Completely surrounded by mountains now. Very nice. Would you like to come here? Tell me. Would you like to come here? Comment and tell me when would you like to come here. Okay? Make a plan.